Right vehicle? Check out the 2020 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, roof rails, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, fog lights, power brakes, battery saver, body color door handles, braking assist. Come see the car for yourself.